Okay, so here's our first delivery, Chris and family. He's got the F4, so the 4 means it's got the 4 seats, and here's his first ride on it. Oh, he's taking it easy. I'm like, give her! There you go. And there's his company. So the colors all match. Try the reverse.
I can drive to Aiden's house on the lake.
We haven't tested the top speed yet because we didn't take yours out. So what do you think?
I love it. It's awesome.
Can't see all the LEDs, but they're well lit, and I think the subwoofers they'll pulse with the bass as well. Awesome. Thank you for your business.
You're very welcome.
Oh, let's crank the music.
Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Well done. That's good. I am going to make a YouTube video out of this.
Famous, Leo.
Yep. I pay.
Make sure you sign for royalties, Leo.
Yeah, I'll send you the pennies. Well, we'll see in a few years. So loaded up, ready to go.